Okay, since I'm working problems back to back and I see this is another marijuana problem, I just kind of left the basic sketch here. It says use the following results from a test of marijuana, which is provided by a drug testing company, among 148 subjects with positive test results. So let's put that in for the total positive test results. There are 24 false positives. So what is a false positive? That they what? Did not use marijuana, right? But they showing up they did. So a false positive there is 24, and that would leave us with 124 that were actually users in that positive test group. And among 153 negative results, there are 2 false negatives. So there are 2 people that were users that the test didn't show it. Those are the lucky 2. So 151 would be the ones that did not. And remember, we always need to total things if all possible. So let's sum up this little column, and we can copy it, paste it over here, Control V, and we've got our totals. Now, what does it say? Find the probability that the subject tested negative or did not use marijuana. So we want the probability of a negative test or the probability that they did not use. Okay. What is the probability of a negative test? Well, that would be this 153 over the total. So let's just say equals sum. 153 divided by, that's the probability that they test negative. And then it's the probability that they did not use. So what is that going to be? Okay, that they did not use. Did not use, this is this column, it's 175 right there. That divided by the total. Okay, is there overlap in there? I believe it is. So the probability of a negative, right there. Okay, and the probability that they did not use, right here. Okay, can you see where it overlaps? Okay, what is the overlap? The probability of what's in the overlap would be equals sum. The overlap is this 151 divided by the total. So we add those two and then we subtract the overlap. Let's put that in. Equals sum. We want that number plus that number, subtract that number. Okay, what do we get? Rounded to 3 decimal places, 0.588. Well, help to click. 0.588.